Hey guys, what's up people of the world? In today's video, I'll be unboxing an odd looking Bluetooth microphone speaker which I bought it from Lazada for 849 pesos. This Bluetooth microphone is so special because it has a different shape, a different look, and has an Art Deco touch to it. This is Mix D and you're watching the Mix Derulo channel, wherein this channel featuring the finest Bluetooth microphone speaker and promoting easy access to karaoke anytime, anywhere. So if you do have a passion for singing or you just simply loves karaoke, this channel is for you. The unboxing starts now. Okay, as you can see, this is the package for 849 pesos. So let's start unboxing this Art Deco Bluetooth microphone. Nicely wrapped with bubble wrap, and the reveal. Dun, da, da, dun. And it comes with a card. There you go. Let's remove this bubble wrap. So it comes with this one, the card. Okay, let's put it right there. And this is the packaging. Okay. So it comes also with different colors. So they do have also black, blue, red, and the one that I ordered, the pink. So you can see the actually the look right now, no? So this is only the packaging that you see right now on this side. So the brand of this microphone is Wster WS898. Okay, Karaoke wireless microphone speaker. Take a look inside the box. Jan, jan, jan. Ooh. Okay, let's put it here. Are you excited? Okay. And now the reveal. Okay. So the usual, they got the manual. Okay. So that's it. Chinese, English. The cable. And another cable. So this one is for your charging. Okay, it's a nice packaging actually. So let's put there you have it. So the one that I got is the pink one. So you got this the color is actually like a pastel pink with the dark pink metallic finish on this side. So the button is a metallic finish as well. It's a pink metallic finish. It's sort of a rose gold buttons right over here. So on here, I think you will see the USB port. There you go. So you got these USB. You got also the one that for the charging cable. You can put it over here, and this one also. Okay, so you got the TF slot in there. You got the USB ports, so you can put actually a SD card here. So if you do have a pre-downloaded music, you can actually put inside, and you can play the music and you can listen to the music. Okay, so that's the so right here on top is the on off button, and close to it, this one is a play, pause and skip button, this one. And this one would be the like a single loop and play in sequence button, this one. And next to it, this one is actually a voice changer button, this one, like a skip button, these two. The bottom, of course, the mic volume. This one is the mic volume and the effects of the microphone, the echo. So you can have a reverberation depth adjustment on this switch right here. Okay. So the power output of this microphone is 5 watts. And this Bluetooth microphone is KTB Hi-Fi compatible with Android, iOS, 5.0 Bluetooth, 360 surround sound, 4 hours of play, 85 hours on standby. Wow, that's a lot. So I think now we are ready to put this microphone to the test. And before I go ahead with our demo, I would like to invite you, join me, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button. And please, if you do like this type of videos, please do leave a comment down below. So now let's proceed with the demo. The first impression of this microphone is actually it's quite light. It's nice to handle. So it's quite intimidating enough to see that it's actually not your typical microphone. So now let's try to hook it up with the tablet. Let's see how fast it's gonna connect with the tablet. Okay, power button.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So it's actually quite fast to connect to the tablet. So let's try to play some music.
1, 2, 3. Almost heaven, West Virginia.
It's actually it's a nice sounding Bluetooth speaker, and the sound is actually coming out down here at the bottom. So that would be your speaker at the bottom. So now let's try if it's gonna still sounds good even though if you just put it down on the table.
Take me home, country roads.
So it's actually still sounds good. So it actually still sounds good even though it's just laying on top of the table like that. It doesn't affect actually the quality of the sound even though it's like standing up and the speaker is at the bottom. So now let's try to use one of the cool features of this Bluetooth microphone. What it does is actually from a regular music, you can actually listen the audio from the music backtracks. So you can actually sing along with the music. It's like a multiplex. So from the regular music backtracks, you can listen the audio. Let me actually play a music backtracks and let's see what's gonna happen.
My soul that I just can't do.
So now actually you can sing along with the just the regular music backtracks. It seems like you're doing already a karaoke. See the effects that it does make.
Yes, I'm on my way.
And the way I'm feeling now, I just feel you till the end. Yes, I'm on my way. So what can I say? It's actually exceeding my expectation. So now let's go to the other features. It has also a voice changer. Hello sound. Hello sound check. Hello sound. Sound check. Mic. Mic test, hello, sound check, sound check. Hello, sound check. Mic test, hello, sound. Hello, sound check. Mic test, hello, sound check, Hello, sound. So now it's on the regular tone of the voice. Excellent, excellent. So now I'm gonna try to use the microphone without echo, without the effects. Let's see how it sounds. Hello, hello, sound check, hello, sound. Mic test, hello, sound check, hello, mic test. So with the effects, actually the effects of this Bluetooth microphone is actually very good, because unlike of the Bluetooth microphone that I feature in this channel, actually it's all about echo. That's it. The effects of the Bluetooth microphone is all about echo. But with this Bluetooth microphone, it has echo and also reverb at the same time. So actually it's balancing the echo and the reverb sound effects of this Bluetooth microphone. So let me show you how it sounds with the effects, echo, and it's blending up with the reverb. Hello, hello, sound check, hello, sound. So that is also a one cool feature of this Bluetooth microphone. The effects is echo plus the reverb. It's blending in the echo and the reverb. Hello sound, check hello sound. So now let's go all the way with our demo and let's try to play some karaoke songs. Gonna sing with this microphone. Let's see how it performs. So now let's play a karaoke backtracks. Johnny be good. Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny Be Good, who never ever learned to read and write so well, but could play a guitar like a ringing of bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, 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 Johnny Be Good. Everyone consider him the coward of country. He never stood one single time to prove the country wrong. His mama named him Tommy, but folks just call him Yellow. Something always told me they were reading Tommy wrong. He was only 10 years old when his daddy died in prison. I look after Tommy 'cause he was my brother's son. I still recall the final words my brother said to Tommy. Son, my life is over, but yours has just begun. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from troubles if you can. Now it won't mean you're weak if you turn the other cheek. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. I've been walking streets so long, singing the same old song. I know every crack in this dirty sidewalks of Broadway, where hustle is the name of a game, and nice guys get washed away like a snow in the rain. There's been a long blown promising on the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on the horse on the star-spangled rodeo. Like a rhinestone cowboy, getting cards and letters from the people I don't even know, and offers coming over the pole. Pretty woman, walking down the street, pretty woman, the kind I like to meet, pretty woman. I don't believe you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Must say, pretty woman, won't you pardon me, pretty woman? I couldn't help but see, pretty woman, and you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me? So there you have it, guys. The Wster WS898 Bluetooth microphone. It's an excellent choice for 849 pesos. It actually looks premium. The quality is premium, so it's a value for money for 849 pesos. So I actually highly recommending this Bluetooth microphone. It's an excellent microphone, and the effects like the echo and reverb, excellent choice. The best so far that I actually review. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Mix D saying keep on loving and keep on singing. Paalam.